In this video, we're going to enhance our To-Do application by adding the toggle functionality. This will allow users to mark their todos as complete. We will focus on adding the toggle functionality. Let's take a look at the current state of our To-Do app. Currently, we have a list of items including Learn React Components, Build To-Do App, and Deploy to Production. Each item has a circle next to it, but there's currently no way to mark these tasks as complete. To implement the toggle functionality, we need to add a completed state to each to-do item. Here's how we can update our state using the useState hook. We initialize an array of todos, each with an ID, text, and a completed property set to false. This means by default all of our todos will start as incomplete. Now let's define a function called toggleTodo that will handle toggling the completed state of a to-do. This function takes an ID as an argument. It uses the setTodos function to update the todos state. We map through the existing todos, and if the current to-do's ID matches the ID passed into the function, we create a new object with the spread operator. For the to-do with the matching ID, we flip the value of the completed property. If the to-do's ID does not match, we simply return the original to-do. Now we need to add a click handler to the user interface, so when a user clicks a to-do, its state is toggled. Here, we have added an onClick event handler to the span with the class name To-do checkbox. When the checkbox is clicked, the toggleTodo function is called, passing in the ID of the current to-do. Also, we render either a green checkmark or an open circle depending on whether the to-do is completed or not. To visually represent the completed state, we'll apply some conditional styling. Here we are adding a class name to the to-do text based on whether the to-do is completed or not. If the to-do is completed, the completed class is added, otherwise an empty string is added. In our CSS, the completed class applies a line-through text decoration and reduces the opacity, giving a visual indication that the task is done. Now we are seeing the final result. We have a list of todos. Some are marked with a green check mark and have a line through the text. When we click the circle, it changes to a check mark and adds a line through the text. If we click the check mark, it reverts back to the circle. In summary, we've covered a few key concepts: state management with the useState hook, event handlers, specifically the onClick event, and conditional rendering and styling to visually represent the state of our application. These concepts are crucial for building interactive user interfaces with React. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.